How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to integrate Klaviyo into Pixel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you who aren't aware, Pixel is an e-commerce and marketing website for ad campaigns and whatnot. And if you guys are looking to integrate something like Klaviyo into it, well, here's the video. So a little overview over the key features of a Pixel is you can do email marketing. So this pertains to newsletters and whatnot, media planning, web development, so digital campaigns, e-commerce, so your online stores and whatnot, social media, and that's pretty cool. Now, let's actually talk about how we get to integrate Klaviyo into Pixel. So what you guys would need to do is head over to your Klaviyo account, and assuming that you have an account going for Klaviyo, the next steps are pretty simple because it only requires you to log into the dashboard like you guys see here. So what you guys would want to do is log into your Klaviyo account and click on your profile icon found on the lower left corner of the screen, like so. Now immediately you'll see a bunch of different options, and under billing you'll see integrations. So when you click on integrations, this should take you to a whole new page where you get to interact and configure your integration settings and automations. So from here, you want to click on add integration, and this should bring up a list of all of the e-commerce platforms that there are. And in this case, we want to look for Pixel, right? So we're going to search Pixel in the search box, look for it, and simply add integrations. Now on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your URL for your store or whatever that is tied to Pixel. So it could be pixel.mystore.com or whatever. I don't know, since the URL is totally custom. Now anyway, once you've entered it, you want to and click on next. You'll have the option to sync all of the data from your Pixel account into your Klaviyo. And it's quite simple. You just want to tick the boxes that you want to carry of the data that you want to carry over to Klaviyo. So it can be your subscribers, your users, their contact information, the data, and whatnot. Click on next, install the app, and Klaviyo will then begin integrating Pixel into their platform, which is awesome. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You successfully uh, formed an integration between both platforms. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.